Use it. Where did you it? Then I know what I call it. Round. This one now, this thing, you just cut this neck only. Cut the neck like this. When you cut the neck, you now measure the length of this one.
3.
Look what you're going to do. You only cut it like this alone. Only and stop there. That's all. See, even like you're doing like this a bit. But when you want to sew it, you go back, you buy lining now, here and here. It gets to here like this. Okay. You sew it like this. When you reach here, you come here. This is how you sew it. You see, you continue like this. Don't do it like this, Aim it color like that. It gave me like off like this. You understand? Then you now continue. So there's no need of cutting you. Even when I cut all you before you acquire, how can this be bigger? So if you're sewing, that will not increase it. So that's how they got that one. This is simple. You understand? Most of this kind of clothes, this kind of neck, now carry after numerous zip as numerous. You cannot see where it is. The reason for this thing is because how your head can enter. That's the reason for this opening.
What of you and you?
Even that same thing. Only way you get neck, can't get opening with your knees like that. That's the main aim of this. Question.
So, anyhow you want it to come down, you can measure it.
What of if the person is big? Can you use that?
All depends on the person. And you show now. Are you getting me? Only get wig. Don't say they get big hair, but they go put big hair. Wig and you go big like Then the front neck can be smaller neck. You see, you cannot have V neck at the back. Come and have another V neck again. If not, it will fall. See, V plus V is falling. It's supposed to fall because there's room for that. So what you do now is look at it. Let me say I want to cut canoe neck for front. I want canoe neck for the front. I don't want to use let me just use 3 total. Then I use 2.5 total here. You first of all cut the canoe neck, mark the canoe neck, cut the front and back together. Watch it, cut it together. When you are done, you will notch this place. You will get the center of this place. Get the center of where?
Yeah.
Then you remove this front out. If I put these two together, shall we be cutting it together? Is it not so? The best thing is to do what?
Remove it.
Then carry chalk and get this line and this line together. You have to remove the zip allowance. Right? Now I told people that we don't have standard measurement for the depth of the neck for the back. It's according to what the person wants. Some people said their V neck will reach down. That's their choice. Yes, they don't say. So for that reason, I will just say down. If, for example, you measure, maybe if it's 9, I'm looking for the depth of the person's neck for the back. I got 9, right? I will start my 9. You will draw something like this to cover here, invisible. You understand? You just start from up to measure 9. Don't go and start from here to measure 9. You will replace it with that one you remove. You understand? From that place, you mark 9. Look at 9 here. Plus, minus what?
1 half.
Minus half. 9 to minus half. You hear me? See, there are 2 ways of cutting this thing. 1, you now take, if it's complete view, you take a ruler and do what? You draw it exactly from here to this end. You don't increase. You don't come here. No. Exactly from here to where? Here. Then you take this one straight like this. From here to this place. That is another one. This one is, I'll show you another pattern again. Now this pattern is that by the time you finish, the zip allowance you will see the zip allowance at the back. But there's another one again. You know that kind of zip you sew on top of it. That's one that have like flap. You sew it to the inside. If it's that one you want to do, you can't cut it like this. Look at how I cut it. You have to fold this one inside. This zip allowance inside. Inside. If you want to cut it, you do what? You cut it like this. Did you see it? So that here will not be view also. You see it? Then if you want to put the zip, you know this one will not continue. The lining will continue from here. Your lining will start from where? Here. It will not start from the beginning here again. Are you confused?
Yes.
After sewing, you need that one is it? That one is. I'm done talking to you. Bye bye. Everybody will get the punishment. Do you see it? Lining will start. You sew the lining from this thing now. Continuation.
Okay, you will fold it like this.
You put it like this and cut
put
the
the
lining. There will only be lining here.
But the lining will not.
Not start here. You'll be seeing the fabric here. This fabric will continue and stop here. Are you getting me? So that's how it's going to look like. Lining will be here. Then if it's the other one that you don't want it to be like that, the zip will be like the one we normally sew here.
Open one.
Open one. If it's open one, you do what? You cut here.
Out.
You see it?
Yes.
It's gonna be like this. So that means you cut. If you want to trace lining, you trace all lining like this. All. That means the lining will not start from here. It will only go all. Then you now fold it. After that, if you see normal zip allowance, you used to have lines throughout. See not so. Question. Now it's not only V-neck. It must not be only V-neck. There are back neck that must not be only V-neck. It can be different kind of neck, different curve. It can be U-neck at the back, U-neck. Have you seen a U-neck that will not have rope? They will not put rope at the back. For example, let me show you what I'm saying. Have you not seen that kind of neck before? At the back.
Yes.
Then if it's too down, you not put rope in between all this place. You not stop at somewhere here. Yes, ma'am. Then the zip will still continue like this. You get what I'm saying? This is the zip allowance here. This zip allowance. Nothing like this. So we're not going to put anything there. So make it just big like that. When the back is like this, the front cannot be like this. The front will just be high neck or more round neck.
Okay.
Okay, no neck.
I'm not like.
Who's confused?